Hello, Wildcats. Welcome to this Cooking with Dining Services episode. In this episode, we are going to show you how to make some of the best blueberry muffins. You will start this recipe by creaming the soft butter. Add in your sugar and mix until light and fluffy. You will want to add the egg one at a time, making sure to fully incorporate before adding the next. Once your eggs have been incorporated, add the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, salt, and baking powder, and set a couple of cups aside for later. You will want to alternate adding the flour and the milk to the cream mixture. Remember to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your mixing bowl. In a separate large bowl, toss the blueberries with the flour you set aside. You will want to make sure they are fairly well coated. This is to help hold them in place better and make mixing them easier. Add the batter to the blueberries and lightly fold them together. Try not to overmix as you will end up with blue dough. Line the muffin tins and fill about 2/3 full of batter. I recommend using a medium-sized ice cream scoop for this to help with the mess and consistency and size. You can sprinkle the tops with sugar, cinnamon sugar, or even streusel topping. Bake at 350 degrees for around 20 to 30 minutes, rotating halfway through. You can have these fresh from the oven. However, after having these, I totally recommend enjoying them the next day. You can also freeze these once they have cooled. We hope you have enjoyed another video from Dining Services. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe and have fun in the kitchen.